Welcome upper elementary learners to Lesson 2 from our Bully Prevention Unit. As you may remember from the last Bullying Prevention Unit lesson video, Angie was bullying her friend Kiana. Some things that help you recognize if you are being bullied are the 3 R's of bullying. Bullying is mean behavior done on purpose that is repeated or keeps on happening. It doesn't stop. It's unfair and one-sided. But remembering the 3 R's of bullying, recognize, report, and refuse, can help in these situations. Kiana needed to make a decision about what to do. Should she report the bullying to her teacher, stand up to Angie to refuse her bullying, or should she do nothing? Most of you decided that reporting or standing up to Angie to refuse the bullying were the best options. In many cases, it's a good idea to do both. We hope that's what Kiana decides to do too. Now let's talk about the other students in this scene. When you see or know about bullying that happens to someone else, you are called a bystander. The bystanders in the scenario with Kiana and Angie might be feeling amused because they think it's funny. They might be afraid of Angie. They also might be relieved because they aren't the ones being bullied. They might feel frustrated about knowing what to do, guilty or ashamed for doing nothing to help, or even conflicted because they know it's not right but don't want to get involved or be bullied too. It's common for bystanders to have uncomfortable and conflicting feelings. They may know it's not right to bully, but feel worried and may not want to get involved. These bystanders are making the bullying worse and becoming part of the problem. They laugh, they don't report, they don't say anything, and they don't stick up for Kiana or each other. They don't even tell Angie to stop. These bystanders probably know bullying is wrong. They probably even feel a little guilty or ashamed for doing nothing to help. Sometimes thinking about how you'd feel and how others would feel, or having empathy, can give you the courage to step up and help stop bullying. It's not too late for these bystanders to help Kiana. It's never too late to do the right thing. Some of the ways bystanders can help stop bullying are found on this poster. They can be supportive. They can report or help report the bullying. They can stand up for someone being bullied and be respectful and kind. They can include everyone. Today, we are going to talk more about the things you can do as bystanders to help stop bullying. As you watch the first part of this video, consider whether Tyrese is thinking about how his classmate, Gabe, is feeling.
Hi, I'm Tyrese. Being in 5th grade has been interesting. You really start to see how different kids like different things. That's Gabe. He's this quiet kid who mostly hangs out with girls and doesn't really do any sports. But he really likes art and draws these awesome pictures. They're amazing.
There is a boy who lives by the sea. People call him Pen Boy because he draws pictures all the time. Pen Boy has many friends.
Oh, look. Gabe is drawing pretty pictures. That's so gay.
That's Reggie. I don't know what his problem is, but he's always picking on Gabe. I think Reggie's just jealous because all the girls like Gabe.
Get a haircut, Gabe. Or should I call you Gabriella?
Gabe tries to ignore him, but I can tell it bugs him. It would bug me too. Who cares if Gabe has long hair? The drummer in my favorite band has long hair too.
Stop where you are.
Not like me, puny penboy. Long-haired freak. I'll get you. You just stare at the order of the ocean.
Do your worst, squid monster.
Take this.
No problem.
Hey, Penboy's fighting the squid monster. Let's go help him.
Come on!
Go away, squid monster.
You can't hurt Penboy. His super friends are here. We are here for him.
Whatever.
Yay! He saved the day! Way to go, Penboy! Thank you, super friends. Together, we're safe from the squid monster.
Sorry.
I feel sorry for Gabe. He must feel super frustrated. Reggie and his friends just don't let up. I feel like I should do something. But what? It's not like I can say anything to Reggie without him pounding on me too.
Do you think Reggie and his friends are bullying Gabe? Reggie keeps saying mean things to Gabe. It's unfair because Gabe doesn't do anything back to Reggie. Reggie's friends go along with it. Gabe hasn't been able to make it stop. Reggie makes fun of Gabe because he thinks Gabe acts like a girl. He likes to do art instead of sports, and he has long hair. It is not okay to make fun of someone because he's a boy who does something you think is for girls, or she's a girl who does something you think is for girls. And it's never okay to call someone gay, or something they are doing gay. That is not allowed in our school, and it creates a negative environment, a place that doesn't feel safe for everyone. Tyrese thinks Gabe is feeling frustrated, sad, confused, disappointed, and even upset. Tyrese has empathy for Gabe because he feels or understands how Gabe is feeling. What do you think Tyrese should do? Now let's watch part 2 of the video to find out.
Okay, everyone, that's it for today. Don't forget to clean up your stations.
So today in art class, Gabe makes this super cool sculpture. And guess who wrecks it? I'd be so mad at Reggie if I were Gabe. I mean, I was mad at Reggie. I decided I had to do something. Hey Gabe, cool sculpture.
You mean it was a cool sculpture?
Do you want me to help you fix it?
Just have Reggie wreck it again?
No way. I tell him that lots of other kids think his stuff is cool too, and that I'm sick of the way Reggie's been treating him. He needs to report it to our teacher, Mr. Chen. Gabe's real nervous about doing that, so I tell him that I'll go with him, and that I'll even do all the talking. Mr. Chen's cool. He'll have some good ideas on how this can be stopped.
Hey guys, what's going on?
And you know what? Reggie has been bullying Gabe almost every day. I was right.
We're going to talk to them, and we're going to figure out a way so that everybody can feel safe. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Standing up to the person doing the bullying is one way to refuse to let bullying happen to someone else. Tyrese chose not to stand up directly to Reggie. He was afraid Reggie would pick on him next. But he was supportive. He was kind and respectful to Gabe, and he offered to help fix Gabe's sculpture. He also told Gabe other kids think his artwork is cool. Then he helped report the bullying to Mr. Chen. How do you think having empathy for Gabe or thinking about how Gabe felt gave Tyrese the courage to do the right thing? Well, he probably thought Gabe deserved to be treated with respect, and he wanted to do the right thing for Gabe. He wanted Reggie to stop making Gabe feel so bad. How do you think Tyrese felt after he decided to do some things to support Gabe and help him report the bullying? He probably felt like he was doing the right thing. He was proud, brave, happy, and even felt courageous. Doing the right thing and helping stop bullying sometimes takes courage. The more each one of you is willing to do the right thing when you see or know about bullying happening to others, the easier it will be for other bystanders to do the right thing too. To say it's not my problem when you see or know about bullying is wrong. Bullying is everyone's problem, and it's all of our responsibilities not to let bullying happen and to try to stop it when it does. For this next activity, you're going to look at a bystander hero comic. Then you're going to think about the situation and create the final scene. Scene 1. Scene 2. What should the bystanders do? Today, we talked about how having empathy can give you courage to help stop bullying. We also talked about how it is never okay to bully someone because of the things they like to do, or to even call someone or things they do gay. Then we talked about some things you can do as a bystander to help stop bullying. You can report or help report the bullying, stand up for someone being bullied. You can be respectful and kind and include everyone. But remember, in our class and in our school, we are safe and respectful, and bullying is not acceptable.